Divide 854 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 5 and it is 35. So 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 854 divided by 5 is 170 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.